Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to see TikTok creator site insights or how to see insights and TikTok. And on left list to launch our TikTok applications, and from there we are going to tap on the search icon and then search for click search insights. Then you're going to tap on here we can see the most videos that have been searched. You can see the best online games on mobile. We can even see the content gap. You can even see searches by followers. In the case that you do have any followers that haven't been setting for anything but with this you must have more than 1,000 followers. We can even take the trending topics when it comes to fashion, food, sports, tourism, dining, and science. So we're going to search for our topic. And let's say search for BWX6. Can from there we can see the amount of searches when it comes to BWX6, and we can actually use this type of a tool to actually help in boosting our TikTok followers and our TikTok content creation when it comes to the type of content that we are looking for. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.